All right, everyone, let's turn to the bottom of page 361 for example 3. It says, write the percent of the solution that is water as a fraction and as a decimal. All right, so we know that the first thing we can do as a fraction, we're going to do 0.9 over 100. We'll do 0.9 divided by 100, which ends up being 9 1,000ths, okay? As a percent, as a fraction, as a decimal, we have what was shown here on the right, but in class I showed you that you can simply take that decimal and slide it twice to the left, which will eliminate a lot more steps. So our 0.9% as a decimal is 0.009. All right, so let's take a look at this one. We have 2/5%. So let's first do a fraction. So we have 2/5 over 100. So that's 2 over 5 divided by 100. We do keep, change, flip. So it's the same thing as 2 500ths. All right. Then as a decimal, we'll do 2/5. We divide 2 by 5, or 5. All right, so we get this. And then we're going into a 0.4. So we have 0.4. We still have to slide twice to the left. So we have 0.04 as a decimal. Okay, so we have these two here, this and this. All right, for our next one, which we'll do in green, we have 0.3 over 100. We do 0.3 divided by 100. That goes into that, let's see, 1,000 times. So we have 3 over 1,000. All right, for that part. And then we also said when we're still starting out with this, we can simply slide twice to the left, resulting in 0.03 for that. So make sure that's written in for page 3. All right, let's take a look at one more example. It says sales at an electronics store increased by 360%. How can you write this as a mixed number, basically a fraction, and a decimal? All right, so let's do the mixed number. We have 36 over 100. We divide, resulting in 3 and 60 over 100, which can be reduced to 3 6/10. And then the other way is simply just sliding twice to the left, which is 3.6. Okay, so there we go. Those are two versions.